Generally, karoto go keligerali, chialenge ogo pimana chinguru. And in one way or the other, some objectives are going to change about met. Number one, ogo pimana wechinguru between the united opposition na the establishment or the current government. Bapi manete chinguru. Hende kero mondongo yaka alenge kuba gota tikarende united opposition nje yake ndegamono. Paka toka majikoranga, especially outside Gusi, na watu wa majikoranga opposition ye this time round kwa chikura cha 2027 chiachiranga. Be it as it may, bintombe gete bigachenji yake, especially positions yobo jumbe. Ntuarenge so sure to answer no Homa Bay Kasipul. All indications here arenge nga Otete Goirale, who was from independent party. Lakini ebirenge bikamanya goika nende bikamachi comment nende chinguru choko ira kwa because the likes of Okoto Bado Mbaje tali. And among other people too amachiriko ranga mbalenge kosoa that camp kare deputy governor ya Homa Bay Yugi Mawanga neraga weso ime kama chikoroka nange ambeo ya change yake nkige kagenda rete gochia so gogo cha obo jumbe bwa mbere obwa machikoroka na gogo sukumo mano nena ambe nyinge kama chikoroka nanga bolia opposition onye kerongere koirere so sure because the guy shawana ero butiro mbere north na Malava. I mean, I was surprised. All indications here chialenga nga Malava kerokyo. Onye kerongere gia chira keroki gia chiet. Lakini siasa kere siasa, it is the art of the possible. Yani kende gionsi na wage konyare kana. Paka nonye maambianga saa 9 ninde shock tinga ekia Malava na keroki gia chira. So generally speaking, abantu papi manete chinguru gaiga nende siasa unere. Ekalo to kwa no mane mbolinga no bwana ane kule ya mkwa wiru number 2 taiko ya kubojumbe nusu ka kosaye we kwota yo bojumbe kosali mushara musini ni ngobere number 2 so whatever the marginal difference yakoba chikule choko nyoranga kwara wiru no ane miaka 5 na boko kanyasikabu the only option here maybe and petition again and court and ekigambero lende otebenga chikule chingibeire lakini bune koratangasuga abanyoranga obonyankongo no marufu wa warahije so it's a shock generally asabanta abang na number 2 ko koligere limono kwaroranga opposition jama chediko utorwa makali make including but not limited to Rigathi Gachagua na a team gete ya roganete sometimes back at the sideline matianga generally speaking it was a big surprise.
One by one.